Welcome back to Watch Wah Gwaan, and today we're at Diani's private listening party for his latest album, Live, Life, and Prosper. We got an exclusive first listen to a few tracks from the project, but what made the experience even better was that Diani was able to break down the meaning and the thought process behind a few of the records.
Yeah, there's not much to explain other than God has been good to me. Not only my music, but in a lot more aspects of my life that I got explain. It's very evident. And I'm sure you've been living because of God's graces, and there's not much to explain further and more foremost. Yeah? So yeah, just been good.
Diani took it a step deeper, speaking on the intentions behind his music beyond what we hear at surface level.
I always write music in a place of affirmation. It was never a place of sexuality. Sometimes it becomes sexual, but it's always a place of either motivation and a self-affirming aspect. I was very intentional in terms of.
And of course, it wouldn't be a listening party without some live music. Diani gave us a little mini performance from my favorite song, Live a Little, and of course a little quick medley of some of the other fan favorites as well.
All I wanna do is, everybody everyone can help me. I started woman and said to me, I said, hey, where we go, I would say, I'm interpreting, cause baby, it is time, yours to know. And I'm in love with you, girl. I said, well, your body is blessed, well, yours can be happiness, and far when your body is would I be your baby ring?
Overall, Live, Life, and Prosper definitely has a few records that we can keep in rotation. Check out the caption to see our top picks from the album and let us know which tracks are you feeling.